That's concerning. That is all charred. You know that Japanese technique that everyone tries where they burn stuff? It's your roof is Shoshugi bond. This house was on fire. Look at this outlet. It's freaking burned. It's day 99 of this renovation. We discovered some major fire damage in the attic space, did more investigation into the electrical work in this house, and whoever the previous homeowner is, I curse you. The level of craftsmanship that doesn't exist in your work is concerning. It's actually dangerous. Your house was on fire because of the terrible work that you did. Now there's patches all over the house because we had to replace the entire electrical system, which is something that we didn't plan to do. And now there's a ton of drywall patching to do, a ton of holes. It's a big setback, but I think the point of this video is that renovations, if you're living in them, things take way longer than you think. Yes, you're saving money, but it's day 99. Let's see what the damage looks like. Electricians just left. This is what the office looks like as of right now. Holy shit. There's patches everywhere. Patch right here. All the walls in this house, for some reason, were plaster, and now there's spots where it's thicker. And this is a gigantic patch that literally goes all the way around this entire room. This is so much drywall work. All this texture has to go. It's pre-mixed in a big bag. Usually what I do. We're going room by room and just fixing it up, and everything is sort of midway at this point. So if that's the kind of chaos that you, for some reason, like to watch, we're happy to have you. My name is Nick. Design is blank. I like this stuff. It's fiber tape. You can buy it at the big box stores, but it's the flat kind. See that? It's like paper thin. It's self-adhesive, but barely. The downside is that these little strings come off, and when they fall into the mud, it's not a good situation. Dust is a real killer when you're doing drywall work. If you're not good at this, you tend to leave a lot of mud on the wall, or you do 4 or 5 coats, which means you're sanding a lot. White dust is going to be in your soul. It will permeate your entire house, most likely. So be prepared, and I highly recommend the shop vac attached drywall sander because it's like 150 bucks and it'll save you a lot of dust. I used that on my last renovation and it was really helpful. This first patch is not going to get it done. It's so thick, it's such a deep imprint that the joint compound's going to shrink a little bit. So I'm going to have to do this again, probably 2 to 3 coats to get this wall smooth. And this is just the beginning. There's so many patches to do. I've heard that DIYers can be trouble. There's a little bit of natural tension between contractors and DIYers. I encourage DIYers to get their hands dirty, learn how their house works. It's a good thing, but all of these patches that are everywhere in this house now are a result of the DIY electrician that used to own this house, who did such a crazy, dangerous DIY electrical job that there were multiple fires. Now I'm having to patch all of these things on a Friday night at 9 p.m. That's not even the end of it. There's a freaking junction box 1 foot away from the ceiling. This is a sin. If you're a DIYer, at least do it right. These 2x4s are going the opposite way that a wall is supposed to be made, and there's 2 2 of them stacked on top of each other. And guess what that doesn't make? That doesn't make 3.5 inches. So there's this gap. This is an actual 2x4 behind here, plus the drywall. So not only is this wall built completely wrong, I'm doing a patch on it just for cosmetic reasons for now. It's pretty frustrating. Day 99 is in the books. Day 100 is around the corner, whether we like it or not. We've got a lot of work to do. We're going room by room and just fixing it up, and everything is sort of midway at this point. Peace be with you. Unless you're the previous homeowner, in which case I would like to find you and challenge you to a duel. Catherine Zeta Jones. You know the one where she goes through all the lasers? What? Like her most famous movie.
I'll tell you when we're ready. You forgot pressure switch, didn't you?